graders, let's do some math. We're on day 5, and the first one is elapsed time. And so it says, the clock says 9:10. What time will it be 20 minutes later? So in this case, we won't get too deep into it, but if I added 20 minutes onto 9:10, I'm going to end up at 9:30. So that shouldn't be too bad. Now we have a subtraction or an addition problem here with money and some decimals thrown in. So pretty much 5 plus 3 is 8. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 up top, 0 down below. I'm going to bring this decimal point straight down in the answer. Then I have 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. And since it's a money problem, I should probably put a little money sign down here. 808. How many inches in 2 feet? Well, in 1 foot there are 12 inches. And so 2 chunks of 12 gets me 24. And if you're talking about a serious question here, then you can even write inches afterwards. Write the standard form for 9,322. All right, they didn't put any zeros in for us, so 9,322. Make sure I put my comma in. Looks good. Fill in the blanks. All right, later on this year, this will be no problem for those folks memorizing their 9s. But 9 to 18 to 27 looks like it's getting bigger by 9 each time. So 9, 18, 27 looks like it's going to be 36 and then 45. And then for bonus points, you could do like this. You could get 54 here. And then I'm pausing just in case you're trying to figure it out in your heads. And then 63. How much money? 3 quarters, 4 dimes, 2 pennies. This is real close to the problem we did a couple days ago. So 3 quarters, each quarter is 25 cents. So 3 quarters gets me 75 cents. 4 dimes, each dime is worth 10. So 4 dimes makes it 40 cents. And 2 pennies is just 2 pennies. All right, so now I need to stack these guys up and add them. So I'll put 75, 40, and then be careful with this 2. You want the 2 over here in the ones column. You don't want it sitting over there, because over there it's worth 20. We just want it worth 2. So I have 5 plus 0 plus 2 gets me 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So if I just put this 1, 1, 7 up there, then yes, technically what I'm saying is 117 pennies, right? But since it's money, the best way to do it would be to put your like dollar sign there. $1.17. Not wrong if it's 117, but not also 100% awesome. Ice cream stand, 150 ice cream bars to sell. They sold 74. How many ice cream bars are left? Total subtraction problem. So 150 minus 74. And for 150 minus 74, I will have to do some regrouping and some borrowing, right? So I'm going to cruise in a little bit so you can see this. I cannot 4 away from 0. So I have to go to his next door neighbor, which is the 5. Cross him out, the 5 becomes a 4. And then this, the one that I borrowed, sneaks on in here to make 10. Okay, so now I've got 10 take away 4, which I can do, which makes 6. And I've got 4 take away 7, again, no can do, right? So I have to go next door to the 1, cross him out, he becomes a 0, and then the 1 comes up here to make him into a 14. Now I can do it. 14 take away 7, 7. And 0 just stays there, so 76. 76 ice cream bars left. Let's take one peek at tomorrow. I'll zoom out just a skosh. I see a clock down here. I see our divide problem, but remember from a couple days ago, dividing by 2 really just means you're cutting it in half. Half of 14. Subtract and add. Standard form again, no problem. How many minutes in 1 hour? Ooh, good question. Fill in the blanks, another pattern, and then we have another elapsed time. He leaves home at 6:30. His mom tells him to be home in exactly 45 minutes. Show the time when Jeff will be home on the clock. And so this really poorly done clock at the bottom of the page, it wants you to find out what time it's going to be when Jeff should be home. Good luck. See you guys tomorrow.